To use the Boretrak with the magnetometer enabled, a compass calibration must be performed. You must recalibrate the probe when you use it for the first time, and thereafter, for the very best results, calibrate the Boretrak at the start of each day's operations, but at least once a week in any circumstance. Also recalibrate the compass if you move to a new site, if a different type of battery is used, or if you have left the probe stored next to something like a generator or electronic equipment which may magnetize the probe metalwork. The calibration ensures that all magnetic interference on board the Boretrak is accounted for in the output of the magnetometer. The calibration also computes the intensity level of the local background magnetic field. This level is used as a baseline to detect if any external magnetic anomalies are positioned too close to the Boretrak during operations. The calibration should take place under very controlled conditions. The location should be performed outside, on the same site that the deployments are taking place, and in a magnetically neutral environment. This means at least 15 meters from things like vehicles, power cables, buildings, generators, underground pumps and drainage systems. Before you carry out the calibration, make sure that anything that might interfere with a magnetic compass is removed from your person. For example, mobile phones, smartwatches, magnetic fasteners on your clothing, or metal items such as tape measures and tools. In the magnetometer settings window, tap Calibration. From the Calibration tab, tap Perform Calibration. The software warns you to put down the tablet and take a couple of steps back in order to ensure that the tablet electronics do not interfere with the calibration. Once the calibration has started, begin moving the probe. Your aim during the calibration is to physically rotate the probe around all three axes. Imagine a 360-degree sphere around the probe. The intention is to point the probe to as many different points on that sphere as possible. While the calibration is in progress, data points are being collected approximately 10 times a second. Keep a steady, constant motion as the calibration data is being collected. Allow the probe to rotate in your hands. Do not move the probe too quickly. The software provides a countdown showing the time left. When the calibration is complete, tap Apply. A baseline level of the background magnetic field is now established and will be used to monitor the local magnetic field around the probe during all operations when the magnetometer is enabled. If the local magnetic field differs from the baseline by a set threshold, the magnetometer is temporarily disabled and you'll see a warning.